Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use OCO bracket Thinkorswim step by step. Open Thinkorswim and find the Trade tab, then select your symbol and order type. Choose a parent order, add a profit target and a stop as child orders, and link them as OCO so one fills and cancels the other. Confirm size, price, and time in force before sending to avoid surprises. Start by selecting an order type like limit or stop and set the quantity for your trade. Attach child orders, one for the profit target and one for the stop loss, making sure prices reflect your risk-reward plan. Use the OCO link option to tie them together so execution of one cancels the other automatically. Review order details and time in force, then submit when you are ready to trade. On another note, quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes your trading corner feel alive with voice control and crisp audio for alerts. It pairs nicely with multi-monitor setups and helps you stay hands-free while managing OCO brackets. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After sending an OCO bracket, monitor fills and price action using the ladder, chart, or monitor tab. If you need to adjust, right-click the child orders to edit prices or quantities, then relink them as OCO. Set alerts for key levels and consider conditional triggers to avoid manual oversight. If your trade idea breaks, cancel the bracket to prevent unwanted fills and preserve capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.